gusto ata.
Kanina pa kami sabi ko.
Ay, matagal ito. Wala kami appointment. Pumila.
Sundan na lang natin sila sa Walmart. Sabi ko, kung kanano pa yung ginawa niya. Ganda dito na sila.
Antayin. Store, run first while wait. Yeah. We go leave probably in the after. I'll go make you breakfast first.
I got a chair right there.
Okay. Yeah, masyado naman tayo maaga tapos sa camping lang naman tayo. Ako mo tuloy mo na yan. Sinabi ko gusto niya daw pero next week sabi ko.
Eh dito na siya sa Pizza Memorial.
Nagte-therapy siya eh. Gusto niya pumunta sa hold up. Doon sa may porch.
You go inside?
The porch. Yung mayroong hot and cold. Hot spring. Sige. Hindi ko makagat yan. Baka sumama yung...
Kaya nga maano eh. Parang matigas.
Madali lang, walang tao masyado.
Bakit papapaan ka yan?
Pumila ako? Pumila kami? Ha? We have to ano eh.
They're still wrapped up right there.
Oh. I'm going to sit my butt down now. I'll sit on here.
We can go upstairs and go make you breakfast.
The girls need to put that in there, honey. Put that.
That's why I told you can drive it
Right
here.
there, see? Can you not see that?
Ayan, nawala nga yung pang ano yan, supot.
Here.
No. Right here. That way we don't have to.
Ay, naglalaba ka din?
It was just, I told her already.
Kaantay ko nga sa kanya. Nakatapos na ako isang labahan na isasalan ko na yung pangalawa. Nandito pa rin kami.
Nagwalis ako din eh. Tapos nalipat ko sa sakyan.
Asian store lang naman punta niyo.
Asian store. Saka mayroon na tayong soda. Soda.
Ma'am, kahit doon na, on the way.
Tubig.
Meron tubig.
Pagkain natin,
Meron na tubig.
Bibigyan lang din. Puro donut siyang hawak ni Stephanie ah.
Ay!
Na naman tumama
Beef
niya.
jerky at saka donut. Share your donuts!
No, that's fine. Wiper na lang ako.
8 hours to Oregon.
Yep. 2-3 hours.
Nagyayaya.
We are on our way to Oregon. I'm doing tuk-tuk.
Sa UW.
What's those green things? That's like
Celery. Yeah, it tastes good.
You like that?
Camping.
I don't like celery.
Give me your sticks.
Then you can even put something on the top. Oops, you collapse. Normally you can do it.
We're learning how to make a fire. No. Say hi to the camera. Dad, say hi to the camera.
Hey. Hi, camera. Move. Wait.
To the car, okay. Go. Okay. Taling ko lang siya sa sasakyan ko yun. Go! Ay, Thai food tayo.
Magsisisigaw ka na dyan.
Teriyaki, swimming prawns, and pad thai.
I want to go inside.
Guys, dito na lang kami outside the fence. Out the fence kasi ito. Malayo. Lakarin ni Steve.
Oregon for tonight's WNFC Week 6 clash between the Las Vegas Silver Stars and your Oregon Ravens.
Oregon
Oregon
Ravens.
Ravens are charter members. of the
Las
Women's
Vegas
National
pala ito yung
Football
ano?
Conference, the Premier Women's Tackle Football League, which has been the same since its inception back in 2019.
Swings. Too early to check in pala. Kaya mag-playground muna sila. Wow, submarine looks like. We're coming home.
Let's go.
I really miss my school days. Those were such fun times. Wouldn't you love to see me in a school uniform?
Yung pababa doon?
Oo.
Ay! Low tide nga, te.
Low tide. No, nag-ano sila. Pero bawal kang mag-ano.
It's a crab. Smash it. Not smash it. Maybe something else.
Guys, maraming talaba dito. Bawal sarado. Season is closed. Oh, ayun. Ayun. Pero, talaba talaga ang dami.
Can I put this on fire? Can I put this on fire? Marshmallows, Mom.
Yeah, you guys did not remember.
Let's go back.
Let's go back daw.
Malapit lang ba? Yes, ay, ano dito.
Sanay na siguro sa tao ito. Merong tubig dyan, parang stream. Hindi naman frog yan. Lola daw.
Fix my cookie.
No.
Mom, I want to do it. I want to do
No.
No.
Go the one.
Why is she always wobbling? It was like.
No. Saan?
Kasi yan, sige, ganyan mo na.
Pag ganito?
Hindi pa, mahaba.
Pag ganyan?
Yeah.
It smells like fire over here. Bang.
Yung isang jacket nga na anuhan ng baga. May tawag ka. May butas. Ha? Oh, okay.
Are you gonna throw it in the woods?
8 o'clock.
By now.